Guys, I just got a text that something very important has come into the mail today. Oh my god. I'm literally going to bust a nut over this. Sweet Pac-Man. Oh my god. Oh my god, is it here? Oh. Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, whoa! The physical Game Informers are back? Holy shit! And it's Sonic? Damn, boy! Damn, Boston! Ventus! The game! The gray yellow one! The gray yellow one! I gotta get inside and unbox this shit. Mom! Pac-Man came in the mail! Pac-Man! Holy shit. Pac-Man World 3 for the 2DS. Fuck, this is a DS. Pac-Man World 3 for the DS. Holy shit. Oh my god. Like, these are like one of those games that it's nothing like the home console one. But like, oh my god. I can't believe it's like here in my hand. It's your world. Eat it! Join Pac-Man and his pal Orson as they rush to stop evil genius Irwin from destroying Pac-Land forever. Who the fuck's Irwin? Along the way, encounter ghastly ghosts, monsters, and robots. What kind of fancy D&D shit is this? Plus some unexpected old friends, together with the unlikely alliances with Ghosts, Pinky, and Clyde, Pac-Man must save Pac-Land from ruin. Use the dual screens in this innovative and fun Pac adventure. Access 3D Pac mazes, perform special Pac moves, and more. Control the ghosts for the first time. Control Pinky and Clyde to solve puzzles and access spectral areas. In command an arsenal of new Pac-Man power-ups such as the Super Stomp, Chrome, and more. For those wondering where I got this game, I got it off Mercari. Cheap, only $15. And then we got the Game Informer magazine. Pretty sick. There's some looks in here. I'm just talking about the last couple of video game announcements, you know, the usual. I'm glad to see these back. Let's unbox this. The yellow guy just keeps getting around. Who cares about pre-owned? Never mind, the sticker. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Hallelujah! 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 That's used. Boston. Let's see what's. Oh my god! Remember these? The fucking pamphlets? Yo! What's Pack and Roll? Yo! I know what's Pack and Rollin'. Bruh. Yo, package. I gotta get these games though. Holy shit. Battery oh, rip. Yo, who that though? Oh my god, the instructions. This is good because people don't know how to fucking read instructions anymore because they took these out of the fucking games because, you know, trying to save paper. La 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 la. Orson. Oh, Jesus Christ. Miss Pac-Man, you can't erase her from history now. Jesus Christ. Wall jumping! Holy shit! Rev roll! Oh my god, everything from the first games are in here. Yo, fruit! Oh my god, that's fucking fruit! Oh my fucking god, cheese! You love to see cheese! And there's the fucking pamphlet for you. And putting this away. Holy shit! Holy shit. Let's put the game in. Hoo-hoo, ha-ha. Turn this bad boy on. Pac-Man. Pac-Man World 3, Namco homework. Let's see what the opening is like. Oh boy. License by Nintendo. I don't have a pen. I don't have a pen because I'm irresponsible. What the fuck? What kind of like Chinese shit's in here? Thank you, hand. The interview. Oh my god. VR maze. Why does it look like a nuclear wasteland? We'll never know. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'm super excited to play some Pac-Man World 3. Be on the lookout for some stream notifications when we're going live, because we're going to just be playing it through. And stay bright, Let's fan.